Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. It's an automatic buy sell signal generator. In this chart automatically you will receive calls like a signal in this chart. Right now a buy call generator, so green signal is going on. Like this in this chart automatically the calls will come in live market. So you can, how you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart in live market and get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible for this chart. For chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's September 1st at 10:30 a.m. It's a morning market. We have received a buy call, so green color candle open. Buy at 44,202, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is our stop loss line. First target is a 100-point target, 44,312. So that difference between is 110 point, more than a 100-point first target. Second target is double of the first target. So it's a more than 200-point second target. Like this daily basis, you will get calls in this chart. One day, one call. So like that you can get calls and place the order in your broker account. After 30 minutes of trading, after 11 o'clock, a sudden bullish momentum. During that momentum in 5 to 6 candles, it break out the first target range, more than a 120-point momentum. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will send you the subscription detail. Thank you.